Well, after an impact day yesterday, the rains moved out of Alabama, and the WVTM 13, as you see, our live Doppler is clear.
But we've already experienced severe weather this year. A tornado ripped through Pickens County nearly 2 weeks ago, killing 3. That storm raising concerns about the way some people receive severe weather alerts on their phones.
WVTM 13's Chip Scarborough explains why some people never got the proper warning and others were warned when they didn't need to be.
When strong storms are bearing down on neighborhoods, people depend on life-saving alerts to help get them to safety. After all, seconds matter.
Well, certainly severe weather season, or that peak that we experience in the spring, is coming up.
Because of that, John DeBlock at the National Weather Service office in Calera wants to raise awareness about a recent issue. He says some people, such as those impacted by the Pickens County tornado back on January 11th, didn't receive alerts from their phone provider that a tornado-warned storm was approaching. The Weather Service also says other people received the wireless emergency alerts when they shouldn't have.
Well, when we issue a warning, we issue it for a specific geographic area that's typically in the shape of a polygon. It's a little narrow at one end, wider at the other. The folks inside that polygon are the folks that are in the most urgent danger, and we want them to take shelter immediately.
So if you're like me and you have 2 different phones, how you get the wireless emergency alerts depends on the device and the provider.
Our understanding is that there are still some bugs in that wireless emergency alert program with some of the carriers and some of the cell phones that are causing the alert to not be issued properly.
DeBlock says the National Weather Service has been in touch with AT&T to address some of the recent concerns. He recommends everyone having more than one way to receive severe weather alerts. In Calera, Chip Scarborough, WVTM 13.
We did reach out to a spokesperson with AT&T about those issues with the Weather Service, and they say some customers did experience it. The company provided us with information on how these alerts work and how you can go about receiving them. We're going to post those links on our WVTM 13 app. And remember, you can get our weather alerts specific to your location with our WVTM 13 app. It's free for you to download on Apple and Android devices.